Hey there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas, where we explore the extraordinary in the ordinary. Before we dive into today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to discuss one CSS property, font variant. This property is really interesting, and this property allows you to change the targeted text to small caps. So how this property works actually? Before CSS3, this property accepted one of two possible values, that is normal and small caps. So a value of small caps will render the text in uppercase letters that are smaller than regular uppercase letters. This does not override uppercasing set in the content inside the markup. Okay, so let's see one actual example. This is some text, and as you can see, this is a normal regular text, right? Here, this is our paragraph. Let's give some class, for example, test. And to target it, let's go to our CSS, and here, font variant, let's give it to small caps and see how it looks. You can see now everything is in capital, in caps. The T is bigger than the text because before we applied this, T was already in capital letter, right? So when you apply small caps as font variant value, all other text will be converted into capital letters. The first letter will be the biggest letter, a larger among this sentence. So this is how small caps CSS property works. So small caps value, the property name is font variant. The default value is normal. So when you apply normal, it won't do anything. One other possible value is all small caps. You see the difference, right? When you apply small caps, let me copy this and remove this. You see the difference, right? When you apply all small caps, this T, capital T, will be converted to, it will not convert actually, the size will be the same as other text. So it depends on your requirement. When you want to apply all small caps, all letters will be in same size but in capitalized, right? So this is how font variant CSS property works. Okay, so let's see another simple example. For example, I have one paragraph, and in this paragraph, I'm writing some text. For example, in HTML, this is small caps, for example, and in another paragraph, what I'm going to write, this is regular caps. Okay, let me give it some class, where class is equal to a small where, for example, and let me give this class as regular where. Okay, so now let's see how it looks by default. So this is how the text render normally, right? So in CSS, what we are going to do in both of these paragraphs, let me copy this small where and regular small where and also regular where. So here what we are going to do, we will apply font variant is equal to small caps, and we will see the difference here. Do you see the difference here? Let me select it. Here, when you apply this font variant value as small caps, this this is the small capital letters and this is regular capital letters, right? So let's see what is the difference. In these two paragraphs, both paragraphs are set to font variant small caps, but This first paragraph has only first letter uppercase in the markup, right? Only T is uppercase. So it appears as expected. So this is the expected value, expected output of small caps. In the second line, it is written in all uppercase in the markup, which overrides the small caps value. That's why this is the normal, a regular uppercase, right? So you can say if these paragraphs are set to font variant small caps and text transform value to lowercase, then they will appear in all small caps. Similarly, if these paragraphs are set to font variant small caps and text transform value as uppercase, then they will appear in all regular uppercase, right? So that's how this font variant CSS property works. And font variant property can be included as a part of font shortened declaration. Okay, there are few other value additions in CSS3. In font variant, we have now value for all small caps. So here, as you see, we have small caps, all small caps as well, right? Also, we have petite caps, you can say. Also, all petite caps, also titling caps, unicase, yeah, unicase is also there, and there are few other values, possible values are there with font variant. Okay, so this was the quick overview about CSS property font variant. So whenever you have such requirement, when you need to make your paragraph or your text in proper capitalized manner, but you want to keep the first letter a different, let's say in a different capitalization value, then this font variant property is really useful, right? So you might have noticed that sometimes when you have such a news website where you have one big paragraph and the first letter of that paragraph is bigger than other letters in that paragraph, but all the letters are capitalized, right? In that scenario, this CSS property is really useful. Okay, let's talk about browser support. So this is really useful CSS property, and it is supported by almost all the browsers like IE, Edge, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and also iOS, Opera Mini, Chrome for mobile as well. So you can use this without any issue. All right. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for my next video and hit the bell icon to get notified. Leave a comment down below to let me know what you would like to see next. See you in the next video. Bye.